are you, my friends? This is another question from the playlist Real Life Problem. If a hotel charges $120 per room, then 420 rooms per night will be rented. That's clear. Now, for each $1 increase in the rate per night, 2 fewer rooms are rented. If they increase $1, then 2 rooms will be less. How much of an increase, if any, should the hotel consider to maximize the daily revenue? You can see other questions, please, in the playlist, Real Life Problems. Now, this is an advice I put all the time. The steps, you can read the question carefully, assign a variable, write an equation, solve it, and then check. Now, let's start the solution. After reading the question carefully, you can stop after each comma or full stop to translate that part. It will be easier for translation. Start in this question by assigning one variable. Why one variable? Because we are looking for the increase in the price. So we say let X be the increase in the rate per night. Now this question is a direct application on quadratic functions with parabola graphs. So we need to find the function itself and look at what X will the maximum be. Now, if the question is not clear yet, I can explain more on the next slide. So this is the question explanation only. This is not the solution. This is explanation. If you understand it, you can directly go to the next slide. So we have $120 per room, the price. 420 rooms will be rented. Every $1 increase. So if we have 120, 420 rooms. 125, suppose we increase the price here, the rate for the hotel, for the room per night, $5. That means we have to subtract here 420 minus 2 times 5. 2 fewer rooms for $1. If we have $5, we multiply 2 times 5. So 420 minus 10. Now, if we increase here by, let's say, 150, so 120 to 150, that's a $30 increase. 30 times 2 will be 60. So 420 minus 60, the rooms will be 360, and so on. If the rate is 170, you can continue this way. If the rate is 170 from 120, that means $50 increase. So 420 minus 2 times 50, which will be 320 rooms. See, if 320 rooms, you can say the revenue. You know, the revenue means the price times the quantity. Whatever the price, whatever the quantity, you can apply this revenue anywhere. So if the rate is 170, we still increase. See, it's increased 54,400. Now, suppose the rate is 190. From 120, we increase the price by $70. 70 times 2, 140. 420 minus 140 will be 280. So let's find the revenue. 190 times 280 will be 53,000. See, it's less. So that means you have to go back. I advise you guys not to find the answer by guessing. So let's establish the function now. The revenue means the price times the quantity, as I mentioned before. If we increase the rate by X, so it will be, the price will be now 120 plus X. Now the rooms will be less by 2 times the X. So 420 minus 2 times the X. Just multiply these two brackets. Rearrange, this is a quadratic function, we can call it R of X. So it will be minus 2 X squared plus 180X, if you multiply carefully here, plus 50,400. Now this is quadratic function. I think you know quadratic function. We can find H. H by the formula is minus B over 2A. This is the X needed. So it's minus 180 divided by 2 times minus 2, which is 45. So the increase is $45. That's the best increase. Let's see the conclusion on the next slide, please, for a second here. So now the conclusion will be, it's better for the hotel to raise its nightly rate from 120 to 165. We add $45 to the rate. At the same time, the rooms rented will be reduced from 420 into 330, because 420 minus 2 times 45, x is 45. So 420 minus 90, 330. So the increase in the rate is $45. Now let's see the revenue. The revenue will be 165 times 330, which is 54,450. This is the maximum daily revenue at this number, without guessing, guys. Now, just a simple note here, profit does not mean revenue. So this number here, 54,000, this is not the profit. This is, we call it revenue. To get the profit, it is equal to the revenue minus the cost. Little information from business. Now, thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.